Telo madun bura mar Green Party Movement osiro lwedo paro mar Raila Odinga mar dhiwero jakom e duol mar riwruog Africa AUC kagiwuoyo e liel moro e gweng' ma Adega e kachung' od bura ma Kabondo Kasipul. Jaod bura machon ma Kabondo Kasipul Agustin Neto gi Silvanus Osele nopako Raila kagiwacho ni lonyne osebedo kanenore e romo riwo wi oganda mag Afrika mangima.
This time round, there is an opportunity that is presented itself for him to play the global leadership as an AU commissioner, chair of the commission. That is an excellent portfolio, and considering his achievements and even age-wise, to us who are in government and progressive people from lowland, we think that that is a best opportunity for Raila Odinga, because it will help the country, it will help the region, it will help us as Luo people also to interconnect across the globe.
Him going to Africa to lead Africa, we cannot have a better bet in Kenya other than Raila, so he has my full support.
I know definitely, of course, he's going to have the endorsement of French-speaking West Africa because of what he did in Ivory Coast. And, you know, Raila has always been friends with South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa. So we really, really think that it's going to be an easy ride for him, and we wish him the very best in terms of scaling the heights to become the AU chairman.
Yena monda